Anyone who likes or subscribes will get rich. A barrel shell is a shell with a barrel-shaped appearance or barrel-shaped structure. Shell is a kind of structural form with curved shape and thickness much smaller than other dimensions, which can bear large loads and has good stability. Through the design of the barrel shell, the space can be fully utilized to improve the overall floor area ratio and space utilization rate of the building. The frame structure itself has a good bearing capacity, and the barrel shell can further enhance the stability and safety of the structure.
This is Philippine semi-rare bunker install video. This is the dome space frame structure coal bunker installation display. Dome bunker is mostly used in vertical large capacity coal bunker, and its structure can disperse the pressure evenly, so the stress performance is better. The design of dome coal bunker makes full use of its internal space, with high section utilization rate, which can store more coal. In addition, the construction of dome coal bunkers is relatively simple, and due to its structural characteristics, it is also easier to maintain.
This is demonstration of gas station shed roof installation process.
Space frame structures are also used in hangars, mainly in terms of their efficient load-bearing capacity, open space, and flexible design.
This is the hangar space frame construction simulation BIM. Main construction materials. Construction quality specification. Arrange the lifting equipment. Chest lift work. Lift. Formal jacking. Chandelier pipeline laying. Point of observation. HANA space frame lift description. Ground space frame assembly steps.
Because dome skylights need to cover large areas and carry large loads, space frame structures provide
Water and
evenly
electricity
distributed force
installation.
transfer
Roof
while
main
reducing
pylon
the weight of the
installation.
overall structure.
Door head guide structure installation.
Space frame structures not only enhance the structural stability of glass dome skylights, but also balance aesthetics and functionality, and are widely used in modern architecture.
3D laser scanning. Space framework pre-elevation. The space frame is officially lifting. Close-up bracket. Installation of horse path. Space frame disassembly. Let's take a look at the installation of the roof space frame of the largest steel church in the world, the Hand of God Cathedral in Nigeria.
brick of the cathedral is made of high-strength cathedral, including spectator loads, wind loads, snow loads, etc. At the same time, the plasticity and ability of steel also enable the spatial frame structure of the cathedral to achieve a variety of complex shapes and details. The design of the space frame structure of the cathedral fully considers the safety, stability, and economy of the structure. Through accurate calculation and analysis, the designer determined a reasonable structural arrangement and component size to ensure the stability and safety of the cathedral under various loads. At the same time, the designers also considered the economy and aesthetics of the structure by optimizing the structural form and material use, reducing the construction cost, and achieving the grand appearance of the cathedral and the comfort of the interior space.
Now let's take a look at Beijing Daxing Airport. The terminal of Beijing Daxing International Airport includes the main terminal, supporting service buildings and parking buildings, with a total construction scale of about 1.4 million square meters. The terminal covers an area of 780,000 square meters and has 100 for boarding bridges. The terminal is shaped like a phoenix spreading its wings, presenting a unique shape of five-finger corridors. The terminal is topped by a circular glass dome, 80 meters in diameter, surrounded by 8 huge C-shaped columns that hold up the entire terminal roof. These C-shaped columns are surrounded by bubble windows, which are mainly used for lighting and enable the terminal to withstand a Category 12 typhoon. The roof of the central area uses a steel space frame structure, which is supported by 8 C-shaped columns, 12 groups of support tubes and curtain wall columns, forming a large span roof of 180,000 square meters. The C column is the main support structure, and its unique shape and arrangement effectively transfers loads, providing both vertical support and horizontal stiffness.
Now let's have a tour of our factory. These are in the process of wet machining. This is the punching of the rods. Drill a base hole for the bulb bowl. Then the bulb bowl is machinized. Bulb bowl is solid. The weight is very heavy, need to be placed on the support with the aid of tools. The bulb bowls are sprayed with zinc to prevent corrosion. This is dealing with sandwich panels. The process in our factory is orderly, fast and quality guaranteed. This is a roofing pressure plate and cutting. LF has been recognized internationally for its expertise in design and construction of space frame structure, domes, and freeform structures with all product compliant with sustainable building requirements. Our products compass SGS, BV, TUV testing and certification, as well as SGS provided by the welding process in line with the AWS evaluation. If the customer has other needs of documents and certifications, our documentation staff will further implement the cooperation. All production is completed in the factory, and the components are miniaturized to facilitate transportation. Avoid welding and processing on site as much as possible. Most of our products bolded a small number of welding or other treatment methods. The installation period is shorter, and the requirements on workers are lower. Factory manufacturing can avoid the safety hazards of on-site welding.